Hello, my name is John Jairo Peñacelis. I'm giving the answer for the two questions. Question 1. How was technology changed human life in your community? Technology today has grown in an exorbitant way in the community. It affects the life of people and changes the way of their learning, thinking, and communication. Everything we do work with technology and is making use dependent and influence that now we can imagine the life with technology. It says that it's changed in a good way for better opportunities, but has great advantages and disadvantages, making us dependent on it. Question 2. What positive and negative aspect do you consider your community has had in the use of technology nowadays? It's impossible to keep technology out of any world nowadays. The positive is that it helps in the communications of the technology in education, medical, and business sector. Help in the virtual learning in line resources we can buy in paid deans shares. People all over the world travel without taking an airplane. Open along communication chains increase the opportunities to work. Negative effects of technology is that people is getting less activity. Adverse health effects. People have become lonely. They don't leave their house. They not want to chat with their families. Smartphones they use away from reality, and after the pandemic every more. Thank you, teacher. These are the answers. I try to do my best.